Good day, everyone. I'm Jolene Bautista and welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about something that could be winning and losing. Something that truly shapes who we are, both as players and athletes. Our topic for today is sports and values education, teamwork and discipline. Before we begin, let me ask you, have you ever played a sports or game where one player tried to do everything alone? Usually, it doesn't end well, right? Because in sports, just like in life, success is a team effort built on trust, respect, and discipline. What are teamwork and discipline? Let's start with the basics. Teamwork means working together toward a common goal. It is about understanding that every player has a role, no matter how big or small, and that victory happens when everyone gives their best for the team. Discipline, on the other hand, means self control, doing what's done even when you don't feel like it. It's following rules, practice regularly, and respecting teams and opponents. Think of it discipline as the foundation and teamwork as the bridge together. They lead you to success. Teamwork is more than just passing the ball. It is a communication, trust, and understanding. In basketball, players communicate with signals and eye contact, even without words. In volleyball, each player has a position and must trust that others will cover their area. In football, teamwork builds strategies where everyone's role matters. When everyone moves in harmony, the result is not just about win, it is a bond. Sport teach us that working together can turn challenges into opportunities and individuals into a united force. Now let's talk about discipline, the silent strength behind every great athlete. Discipline means waking up early for training when you are tired. It means respecting the rules of the game even when one is watching. It is choosing to practice instead of giving up. In sports, discipline builds consistency, and consistency builds excellence. Coaches can guide and motivate, but discipline comes from within. Whether you are running laps, lifting weights, or mastering new skill, discipline keeps you going when motivation fades. Here's something to think about. Sports are a reflection of life. Teamwork, you learn on the how you cooperate school or the discipline you practice in training help you manage your time, studies, and goals. These values don't end when the game is over. They stay with you forever. That's why we say physical education is not just about physical fitness. It is also about character building. When we play fair, respect others, and give our best, we become champions. Not just in sports, but in life. Let's review what we learned today. Teamwork teaches cooperation, trust, and communication. Discipline teaches self control, respect, and perseverance. Together, they shape us into responsible and confident individuals. So, as you go through your own sports journey, remember this: winning is great, but growing through teamwork and discipline is even For your reflection task, think about this question. How can teamwork and discipline help you in your daily life? Again, I'm Jocelyn Bautista from Bachelor of Physical Education. Thank you for joining today's class and stay active, stay motivated, and keep learning, both on and off the court. See you next time.